Today's product is a must-have, sleek, practical, and super affordable. Use it at home, office, or give it as a gift. Details below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.